The case of police apathy in Uttar Pradesh, where they punished a little girl when she came to file a rape complaint. Police finally arresting a man for allegedly raping that 10-year-old girl, but she was put behind bars by the Bulandshahr police. When women constables were present there, she approached them for help with her mother, and they were both put in jail. Only left out when locals protested. The accused in this case is a local goon, we are told. He allegedly raped the girl on Sunday. 2 women constables have now been suspended.
तो महिला थाना प्रभारी को थाने से हटा के लाइन हाजिर कर दिया गया है एसपी महोदय द्वारा, और जो उस समय सब इंस्पेक्टर मौजूद थे वहां पे प्रभार पे उनको भी हटा दिया गया, लाइन हाजिर कर दिया गया है। बाकी 2 महिला कांस्टेबल जो बंदी रक्षक वहां पे नियुक्त थी लॉकअप ड्यूटी पे, दोनों को निलंबित कर दिया गया और आगे जांच की जा रही है।
पुलिस के ऊपर भी केस लगाना है, और जो उस लड़की को इस ऐसे सेक्सुअल असॉल्ट किए हैं उनके ऊपर भी केस लगाना है, और इस पूरी चीज के ऊपर इंक्वायरी होना चाहिए। जो बच्ची है उनको मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट जो है उनके सुरक्षित रखने के लिए, और वो खर्च जो होती है पूरी तरह से हमको लगता है कि उत्तर प्रदेश स्टेट ने उसका जिम्मेवार लेना चाहिए।
Instead of taking swift action and apprehending the culprit, they are punishing the small girl, and they've asked her not to go to the media, not to speak to the media. Now, you see, this insensitivity is promoting more and more crime against women, especially young girls in UP, and I think we should condemn it in all terms. A swift action is required to save the honor of girls and women in UP.
A new law has been passed by Parliament. And there is a specific clause in that law that if the police are responsible for precisely this kind of torture on a rape survivor, the police themselves have to be prosecuted and punished, and they have to be sent to jail. That is the only way that a strong message will be given, not only in Uttar Pradesh, where there are so many such cases, but throughout the country.
Now, the accused who allegedly raped the minor has been arrested, but there were 2 crimes committed in Bulandshahr that day. One was the alleged rape of this 10-year-old girl, and the other was the treatment meted out to the victim and her family by the police themselves. In fact, the family has told us that even while they were on their way to get the medical examination done, one of the police constables told the girl, and I quote her here, that ये गलत तरीके से किसी को मत फंसाओ, which essentially translate into saying that don't falsely implicate a person. Now, it is easy to argue that this could be the view of a particular constable, a particular person, and cannot be generalized as the view of the police. But the fact remains that this is not the first case of police apathy in crimes against women. There have been several cases that have been pointed out, have been reported, where the police has behaved in a manner that the victim or the survivor, especially when it comes to crimes against women, they are afraid to approach the police.